Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is a true success story. Bobby Bennet grew up in Spartanburg, South Carolina, just down the street from the old Spartanburg Dragway. And long story short, Bobby got into the track for the first time by lying about his age. His parents made him apologize, but the folks at the track admired Bobby's passion and they gave him a job picking up trash at just age 12. In the next few years, Bobby would publish his own magazine for the track, become the track announcer, and even become the race director at the age of 13. When he was 19, Bennet started a print magazine called Competition Plus. Then he wrote for some other magazines as well. But it was in 1999 that Bobby Bennet latched onto this new thing called the Internet and launched Competition Plus as an e-zine and a website. And 25 years later, drag racing fans still know CompetitionPlus.com is one of the leading sources of news about the sport, and Bennet's empire continues to grow. Just a few years ago, the website became the first drag racing publication to roll out a digital app, and Competition Plus TV now has well over 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Look for a new CompetitionPlus.com website debuting very soon, and be sure to look out for Bobby Bennet at the drag strip because he is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now it's your turn. You can nominate yourself, a friend, maybe a family member to be our Motorhead of the Week. Just go to motorheadgarage.tv and click the link there. That's also the same website where you want to go. If you have a product you want to see featured on our show, you can also send me an email, dave@motorheadgarage.tv. We're going to do this again next week. We hope you join us then. Until then, drive safely. We'll see you.